Hello guys, we are software creator and today we are going to present the proposal for QMS4, which is a web-based software solution designed to implement a quality management system for Avialite company. So I will present the ABC framework first to introduce you the need, how we're going to do it, and what is the benefit, and what else competitors that there are in the market. So why you want to propose this web-based solution for Avialite company? Actually, this stems from multiple needs. The first critical need it faces is document control. Right now, the condition is that whenever an engineer updates their document, the operators did not know that the document being updated and still use the updated SOP version. This results in a lot of non-conformities that is hindering it at ISO 9001 2015 ISO certifications. The next need is traceability. Currently, the logging cannot link raw materials, production data, and the operator info together. Then, whenever there is complaints on a certain product, they cannot just use the product serial information to deduce all the related raw materials, production data information. This will slow down root cause investigation and therefore damage the customer confidence. Besides, the audit readiness is weak. After an audit being made, there is usually a 1 year gap that no one will be followed up this audit. They need an automated reminders to ensure the timely closure of audit findings. Besides that, all this above combined with, there is no complete management review records. This will threaten the loss of the certification of ISO 9001 2015 certification. So how we can address those problems using QMS4? So for each problem, we will produce a module. The first module is change control module to address the document control problem. This solution is a centralized repository with an automated versioning. When someone wants to upload the document, it needs to get approved first, and then whenever someone is editing, the version will get immediately locked down before it gets approved again. And whenever the version has been changed, it will automatically update to the latest version with a complete change trail so that everyone knows when this is being updated and what changes does it make. The secondly is traceability and kappa module. This is an integrated database that links serial numbers to training records and their root materials. This addresses our critical problems by linking the product with root cause and finds out the root cause using the fishbone and 5Y model analysis. And then after the root cause is being discovered, they will assign an action item to address the root cause to someone. And last step is to verify its effectiveness by posing the kappa complaint. And then lastly, there is a management review module. This is a dashboard to keep track of all the meeting minutes and action items that it has been assigned to ensure that the deadlines of this task is being kept. In addition for all these above, we have RBAC, which is role-based access control. This is we will provide a customized interface for each quality manager, auditor, and system admins. So this system will lead to what benefit? Overall, by implementing this QMS flow, this company Avialite can ensure 100% of ISO 9001 2015 compliance. It can do so by first implement a centralized versioning control system. It will eliminate all the outdated non-conformities it currently has. Besides, it can reduce the time required for a traceability issue to be addressed from days to minutes using this traceability database. In addition to that, it can ensure 100% of all kappa issues by using automated reminder. Overall, this is to ensure 100% to the regulatory compliance. So, our groups are aware of the solution existed in the market. However, upon review, our QMS4 has irreversible advantage over the existing solution. What is the difference? Is that right now there are many commercial off-the-shelf solutions, but QMS offers the right size advantage it can offer. The first one is COTS is usually have high complexity as they are built for life sciences or FDA compliance. Besides, they have high pricing, can lead up to 10,000 K for a year. Meanwhile, our QMS4 is custom pricing and only one-time cost for its development. Besides, COTS has rigid module bundles. Meanwhile, our QMS4, our flexibility is modular and can be customizable according to our client needs. Speaking of competitors, let's deep dive into current existing solutions and how our products can be superior for compared with this current existing solution. There's a few existing solutions we identified. First one, they are Avialite current using manual record system. Our proposed system called QMS4, and then current and then Alice QI, QT9 QMS, and master control QMS. We found out that there is many barriers that prevents Avialite from using this system. The first one is over-engineer barrier. The products like master control QMS, they are very good, but they are compliant to others' compliance that QMS4 no need to be compliant. There are many targeted for industry like pharmaceutical or life sciences company. So this will bring unnecessary complexity to Avialite as they need to learn how to accommodate this software. The second barrier is that it is bundled. QT9 is a bundled barrier. So QT9, unlike master control, is targeted for industry like manufacturing, but it is bringing way too much module. It is 25 plus module and the cost is very high. The third barrier it brings is the modern no-code module represented by Alice QI. This Alice QI contrast with high complexity we mentioned above is too simple and too expensive for Avialite. This is a no-code configuration. So before using this system, Avialite need to set up their own complex approval rules and traceability rules, which can be very troublesome for them. In conclusion, QMS4 is a more superior option. It is like a cross-suit tailored for Avialite. It is right-sized and custom built. It provides structural automation that current manual system cannot, and it has no unnecessary complexity like control QMS. It also has just right amount of module and suitable in price. It is ready-made and can be used directly by the Avialite company. Overall, our product QMS4 fills a gap in the market that covers medium-sized manufacturing company like Avialite.
Good morning, doctor. My name is YUEN. So now I will explain about the proposed system for the QMS4 system. We have 4 modules which are audit management, document change control, corrective actions, kappa and customer complaints, and management review. So the first module, audit management, will help the organization to easily organize and manage the audits. It allows the quality manager to plan yearly audits by scheduling them. It also allows the user to create and reuse audit checklists to ensure the consistent evaluation. So the auditor can record their findings directly in the system and classify the audit as a conformity, observation, or non-conformity. So each of the audit findings will be assigned to a department head. The system will also send the email reminders to automatically ensure actions are completed on time. Overall, this audit management will help to solve the problem of audit inefficiency by making the audit process more efficient and easy to manage. The second module, which is the document change control, will help the organization to manage important documents and process updates in a clear and orderly way. The second module, which is the document change control, will help the QMS4 system to manage the important documents and process updates. It will make sure the document changes are checked, approved, and recorded for the consistency. All important documents such as SOPs, work instruction, and policies are stored in one central place, so the document can be easily accessed by others. The system will also automatically track the version and updates them whenever changes are approved. When a user requests change, the document will become locked. This to allow only the authorized user to access it. The document is reviewed and approved through a workflow that automatically notifies everyone involved. The change control module will also track every action like viewing the document, downloading the document, or approving document with timestamps. So the module will solve the problem of a lack of document control by managing document better, prevent the mistake, and keep all changes properly recorded. The third module is a corrective action and customer complaint. So the CAPA module will help the organization identify and solve the problem to prevent them from happening again. It acts as a central tool to manage issue and support continuous improvement. Any employee can log a customer complaint along with the audit findings or any problem that come up. And this problem will initiate a corrective action. The system will also help the user to perform root cause analysis using the method like 5 whys or fishbone diagram to identify the real reason. Admin can build the custom CAPA forms with just drag and drop to record all the needed details for each case. So overall, this module solves the problem of poor traceability by keeping track of the actions and support the proactive quality improvement. The last module, which is the management review. This module helps the QMS flow system run and record management review meeting easily and follow quality standards. It automatically runs and records review meeting to meet quality standards. The user can assign agenda items such as audit, quality goals, or customer feedback to the prepper for preparation through the feature of agenda management. The user can assign agenda items such as audit, quality goals, or customer feedback through the feature of agenda management. During meeting, user can record the meeting minutes and action items directly in system. The task will be given to the person with a set deadline. So this will ensure the discussion and decisions are recorded properly. Overall, this module will solve the problem of compliance risk by reduce the risk, keeping management, and review organized, and support the continuous improvement. Here is the user roles for the user in the QMS flow system. The first one is the quality manager. He plan audits and assign auditor, track audit results, track progress of CAPA, create reports and dashboard for the quality management system. The second one is auditor. He create and use audit checklist, log audit findings, assign finding to the person, participate in management review preparation. The third one is the department head. He receive assigned audit findings and CAPA tasks, approve document change, ensure employee follow the SOP, track progress of the task assigned. Next is the employee. He log customer complaints, participate in CAPA action, complete mandatory training module, and access the latest SOP and document. Next is the executive. He attend the management review meetings, approve the strategic quality decision, view QMS dashboard and reports for decision making. The last one is the system administrator. He manage the user roles and access control, maintain database backups and system updates, resolve system errors and support end user, and monitor system security and audit logs. That's all for the proposed system. Now I will pass to my teammate.
So a very good day to sir. My name is Joyce and today I'm going to present about software process model. So for this project, our team chose incremental development model, which we think is the most ideal software process for our proposed QMS flow system. So the reason why is that first, because of the model flexibility to develop and deliver the system. So this suits the agile model that we have chosen. And also this means that since the QMS that consists of multiple interconnected modules such as like audit, document control, and so on. So that's why we choose this incremental approach to enable early delivery of core functionality and user feedback, which means also that there's more rapid delivery and development of useful software. So like compared to like other model like waterfall model, we think that increment model it has great adaptability. So that means whenever any changes in the requirement, we can able to adapt it much more quickly, and this has a lower risk, which therefore it supports the evolving requirement of the QMS flow. So yeah, then I'll explain what we include in this incremental model. So okay, as you can see here, this is the SDLC phase, system development lifecycle. So the first system development lifecycle, we have requirement analysis, which is done by Sunny, and the key delivery will be the SRS and the requirement review report. And next, the system and software development. So it's done by YUEN and Zomi, and this will be focused more on the architecture design document, the database, UX prototype, and so on. Next, we have the implementation, and this we will have the increments. We'll apply the increment model here. So for the first increment, we focus on two things, which is one, the user authentications, audit scheduling, checklist management. Sorry, three. Okay. Then the second increment, we focus on more on the document control model, which are document repository, version control, and approval engine. Okay. For the third increment, we focus on more on the traceability model, which we have the complaint login, CAPA model, and 5 Y tools. And last but not least, we have the fourth increment, which focus more on the management review and compliance dashboard. So basically, in this implementation, we include all four modules, which are the audit management, document control, the system. Then last we have the testing process, which done by ZHONGYANG, and we have the unit testing, integration testing, and also UAT. And last we have the deployment, which we will deploy each increment to the live environment. And this way we can gather user feedback, and evaluate performance. And last we have also the maintenance. So that after the deployment part, then we will do the maintenance by fixing new bugs, update and enhance module, and ensure ongoing compliance. So just a quick summary of what I just presented. So first of all, our team decided to use incremental development model as part of our agile model in our project because of its adaptability, and also it can reduce the cost of accommodating changing of the customer requirements. And also we mentioned about the system development lifecycle, which there are 6 phases, and the model will be implemented in the 4th phases, which is the implementation. So we have 4 increments, and for each 4 increment are based on the 4 modules, which are the audit management, management review, document control, and traceability CAPA management. So that's all for today's presentation. I'll pass it to my next team.
In software process module, we selected incremental development module because QMS flow consists of interconnected modules that need to comply with ISO standard. Next is development phases. Each requirement will follow 6 SDLC phases: requirement analysis, system and software design, implementation, testing, deployment, maintenance. In project schedule, the entire project spans 136 days in about 4.5 months, from November 17th to April 1st. The whole project follows WBS and is divided into 5 main parts: project initiation, pro foundation, and adult management, document control module, traceability module, and the project cost. Totally 88 tasks.
Here is the reference for our project report, and here is the website that we refer when we do the report for the project 1. So this one is the citation for the website, and this one is the appendix.